guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 now launching on Xbox app/Microsoft Store, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is if you have the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store already open, go ahead and open up the Task Manager, and you can do that by either just searching it up in the Windows icon or clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Anyways, once Task Manager is open up, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on whatever app you're using and hit End Task. And then you can go ahead and X out of Task Manager, open up the app again, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. What you can also do is if you have it on Steam, you can right click on Steam, click on Properties. From Properties, go over to the Compatibility tab, and then from here check the Run This Program Compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit Apply and then hit OK. And then open up Steam and then open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 this way. You can also do this with Microsoft Store and the Xbox app as well. It's up to you, whatever platform you're playing the game on. And yeah, and once you're done with all of these steps, you should be good to go. I always do recommend restarting your Wi-Fi or restarting your internet router, and you can do that by just unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds, plugging back in. And I always recommend restarting your PC as well. And once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.